Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to display all your unread emails first in Gmail. If your inbox often feels cluttered and you want a simple way to prioritize messages that still need your attention, this setting will save you time and make email management much easier. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and go to mail.google.com. Log into your Gmail account if you're not already signed in. Once your inbox loads, look at the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll notice a small gear icon. This is the Settings button. Click on it to open the Quick Settings panel. Now, while the Quick Settings show a few useful options, what we need is found in the full settings. So in the drop-down, click on See All Settings. This will open the main settings page where you can customize how Gmail works. At the top of this page, you'll see several tabs such as General, Labels, Inbox, Accounts, and more. Go ahead and click on the Inbox tab. This tab controls how your inbox is organized and what types of messages you see first. Next, find the section labeled Inbox Type. Here, you'll notice a drop-down menu that allows you to choose how emails are sorted. Click on it, and from the available options, select Unread first. By choosing this option, Gmail will automatically place all of your unread emails at the top of your inbox, above everything else. Once you've made your choice, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on the Save Changes button. This step is important because without saving, Gmail won't apply the new setting. After you click Save, your inbox will refresh. Right away, you'll notice that all your unread emails are now grouped at the very top. This makes it much easier to find and respond to important messages quickly without having to dig through older or already read emails. And that's it. You've successfully set Gmail to show unread emails first. It's a small tweak, but it can make a big difference in keeping your inbox organized and making sure nothing important slips through the cracks.